I have an order to buy above this bull bar. I don't like the tail on top, and I think even if it triggers, we might have to go sideways. But I've noticed myself being really hesitant over the past week to take trades, and I think that stems from being afraid to be wrong and to make a mistake. So I need to make sure I don't fall back into that pattern of thinking, and accept that it's okay to make mistakes when I'm learning this stuff. So I have an order here. If it doesn't work out, then I can attribute it to the tail and the consecutive bear bars. But I need to get back into the habit of taking the trades and being okay with making mistakes, and then just learning from them after. Okay, I'm long at 279.62. Okay, so we're getting the move up that I was looking for. It had to go sideways first. I don't think this is going to turn into a bull trend, so the upside is limited, but I just want to see how far this can go. I'll probably exit at the close of this bar. Okay, so I took profits there. So about 20 cents, I think 18 or 19 cents. I don't think we go much higher. We have our two legs up, and so maybe we go a little bit higher, but I think eventually we have to pull back. So I wanted to see how far this bar could go. Looks like we are going a little bit higher. Yeah, I'm happy with that trade. I'm especially happy that I was patient throughout all this, and I think one mistake I make often is we pull back and then we get back up to my entry and my premise is still valid, but because we pulled back, I try to get out break even. But in this scenario, this was the initial impulse up and I was looking for a second leg. So that we pulled back here for 2 bars doesn't negate that premise. So now that we pull back for 2 bars and it starts to pass my entry price, that's not a reason to exit break even. It's still part of my premise that now we're passing my entry price to create a second leg. So I'm happy I stayed in and I allowed it. I didn't just take quick profits. I allowed it to go up as far as it needed to. So I'm actually really happy with this trade.